Hello and welcome. How are you all? My name is Kamini, and today we are going to do the reading for December. This is going to be the last month of the year 2025. Let's see what's coming for all the sun signs and moon signs. Now we'll start with the Capricorns. Let's see what's coming in for you. What is going to be your energy for the month of December 2025? Any guesses? How was your month for November 2025? Okay, so this is a card coming for you. Okay, December 2025. Okay, there could be people who might just come and disturb you, or maybe this could be this is coming for you. Okay, the hostilities card is coming. So maybe there are some people who may be jealous of you. They may just you would have to be a little bit careful about them. Okay, your love life, personal life. Let's see if you're single or married or in some relationship. Okay, the card of worthiness coming for some of you. Okay, so worthiness card means that you are worthy and you should not feel less or something. You are worthy of all the things that everybody needs and requires. Okay, like a marriage, love, relationships, on this you need to remind yourself about this. Okay, let's see if your what's your career situation for the month of December 2025. Okay, you could be busy with two things. Okay, there could be two things coming in your way, like there could be two things which you are handling, two personal professional things, and you're not very happy but you're still handling them. Okay, this could be for some of you, or you might get two options, some money options, where you would handle both of them. You don't know which one is good, you would handle both of them. Okay, you may be deciding which one, or you may be handling both of them. Let's see what is your guidance card for the month of December. Now Capricorns, this is for some of you, or if it resonates it can be for all of you. Let's see what's coming for you. Let's see. Okay, the work card coming for you. Okay, this is the card. You can see you need to use your gifts and talents to serve others and open the doors for success. The more you help others, the more you support others, you will definitely get better results in your own professional life. Okay, this is for you. Let me know if it resonates with you. Okay, so very good cards for the month of December 2025, and this is for the Capricorns. Let's see what's coming for Aquarians. We are starting with the second. We're going to start with the month of January. Okay, so let's see what is the energy for the month of December for you. Okay, you have the fourth chakra. Okay, now this would mean that you need to be very good with yourself. Okay, the heart chakra, maybe your heart chakra is open, and you are feeling well, like in the sense like your feelings are flowing. Okay, so the heart chakra is something which is very important. Usually when we are not happy, our heart chakra is blocked. So in the month of December, you will be having you will just be, your heart chakra will be very good, and you will feel very happy, very positive. Okay, this type of things. You might be feeling very emotional in a very good way. Okay, all the emotions will be flowing. Okay, the heart chakra. Okay, then let's see what's coming for your career, business, money. Let's see for the month of December. Okay, so something that may come which maybe reminds you of your past. Maybe you will be dealing with somebody from your past, somebody some kind of maybe prospect coming from your past. Maybe you have dealt with them, or you have worked with them. Some memories of the past from your native land. Maybe you might go to your native land and do some work there, or something, let's say, I wouldn't say a past life something, but I would say that something that you have already done and you've had good results. Maybe you might find work in your native land, your native place, something like that. Okay, so it's something good memories of your past professional and with the people that you had, maybe some kind of friendship also, maybe your friends you have worked with. So you might just meet them and you might start working with them. Okay, something like this. Or also some good prospects coming from people who you have worked in the past. Okay, that could be for some of you. Let's see what's coming in your love life or personal life, whether you're single, married, or in some relationship. Let's see what's coming in for you. Now, December is a month where you can also review what you have done in the entire year and what you want to do in the next year. Let's see what's coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, some energy in the personal life front, where you might just feel that it's not a energy where you are completely constant, like you have the yin yang energy, which means that some like it's active passive energy, okay, in many forms, or the energy where you need to keep it in, maybe in let's say in consistency, okay, that would mean, so in your love life you may have to be more consistent, okay, that would mean if you're in a relationship on and off, you might just have to be more consistent. This is for some of you, again, not for everyone. Those whatever resonates with you. Okay, let's see what's coming in your guidance card. Let's see what is it. Again, this yin yang energy is also our masculine and feminine energy. Okay, so sometimes our masculine energy is more and sometimes the feminine energy is less. So it's just a way that we need to equalize the energies. Okay, so it's the active passive energy. So let's see what is coming in our what is the guidance card. Okay, so you have the relationship card. Okay, so this is the guidance card. I'm respectful, loving person and deeply care about how I treat others. So in your relationships you will be very respectful and loving. Okay, so this is the card for you for the month of December. Let's see what's coming for Pisces. Okay, December is a month where people would definitely review what they have done this year. Okay, so let's go ahead and find out what is for Pisces. Okay, the month energy month would be, let's see what is coming for you. Okay, very good card for you. Blossoming, abundance, a lot of abundance coming from past actions. Okay, or whatever you have done in the past or whatever you're doing, you will bear the fruits of it. Okay, blossoming abundance for many of you or some of you. Okay, in your love life, personal life, let's see what's coming in for you. You might find a soulmate, okay, compatible person. You can see two people, okay, somebody who is compatible to you, somebody you might just find somebody also, or you are with someone like that, or you might also find what is compatibility to you. Okay, that could also mean for some of you, okay, or all of you. Let's see what is coming for your career. In terms of your career, let's see. Okay, this is a card. You might feel very spiritual. You might take up some spiritual course, or you might be the person who is very much interested in that spiritual studies, or something where you have like maybe something which is a working place, okay, where you are spiritual. Okay, that could be some spiritual work you do, or something which is like maybe some kind of profession which requires that. Maybe you are something like that. Okay, if you're in such a profession, you might do well. Okay, that could be for some of you. You might take spiritual guidance from someone, or you might also be in a spiritual profession, or you might take up some profession which is like a I would say it's a profession which is like maybe a proven profession like that. Okay, maybe some kind of a traditional profession, let's say traditional profession. Okay, so this can be for some of you, something like that maybe coming your way if you're taking your career, okay, or a path in your career. Okay, something like that could come in the month of December 2025. So let me know what subject or what career you are opting for. Okay, or any studies that you're taking. Okay, and let's see what is the guidance card for you in the month of December for some of you or all of you. Let's see what happens for you. Okay, you have the physical health. My body heals itself with every breath I take. So this is the card coming for you. So your physical health will depend on how you breathe. Okay, maybe meditation or something like that, breathing exercises. So very good month for you in terms of your personal life as well as your professional life. So let me know what's coming in for you. Let's see what's coming for Aries in the month of December 2025. So Aries, what is coming for you? Okay, the woman holding a heart. I'll just first take all the cards. The career card, let me see. Okay, see, take what resonates with you. Again, there is nothing to, okay, so these are all random cards which I've picked for you. Let's see what's coming for you. Okay, so you might have a woman holding a heart, so you might feel very emotional in the month of December. There could be somebody or a lady in your life, or maybe yourself. You are very feeling very emotional. You lay off your emotions in the month of December. If there has been somebody who has been not been honest with you, has backstabbed you or something, that will get over in the month of December, in your career or in your professional life, I guess. Okay, in your love life or in your married life or in your personal life, you are very creative. Maybe you are with your partner and you are very creative in the sense that you have made your life very creative in terms of maybe the time that you spend with your partner. Okay, maybe you have planned many things with your partner and you're being very creative there. Okay, and finally, what is the card that is coming for your let's say this is a card for your guidance. I do complete work, I tie up loose ends, follow through on projects, and enjoy the feeling that comes with a job well done. So this is coming for Aries. I hope you've liked your reading. If you've liked your reading, you can give me a thumbs up, and also you can subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, you can let me know. Okay, so this is a very wonderful week, month for everybody. I guess everybody's having good readings. Let's see what's coming in for Taurus. Okay, Taurus, let us see your cards for the next month. So the Magician and the Mirror. Whatever you think will happen, if you think positive, you'll get the results. Okay, so you will get the mirror image of what you're thinking. Okay, the actions that you take in the month of December. Your love life, let's see what's coming. A chivalrous month for you in terms of your love life. Okay, you'll be very gentlemanly and ladylike. Okay, in the month of December, I know that everybody is, but that it will be full of chivalry. Okay, you will get the flowers and everything. Okay, so let's see what's coming for the guidance card. Physical health, you will listen to your body and honor your wisdom about what you have to do. Okay, and your career, let's see what's coming in for your career in the month of December. Okay, so you will be very happy with your career. You will find the career of your choice. Okay, or you will feel, if you are in the arts field or in the field where you have to be creative, you'll be very happy with your career in that department. Okay, so very happy career position also. I see that you will be very emotional. You will be very happy in your career. You will be very passionate over your career, and overall the career position will be good for the month of December for you. So let me know what resonates with you. If you have any questions, you can let me know. So let's see what's coming for Gemini, month of December 2025. Okay, so this is a card, anxiety. It's coming for you. Something is coming and you are a little scared about it and you want to find a solution for that. This can be the energy for the month of December for you. Let's see your guidance card for the month of December. Relationship card is coming. I allow others to have their thoughts and feelings. Okay, whatever thing they think about you, you are okay with that. Okay, let's see your love life, personal life, what's coming in for you. Again, this is a, you have a distorted feminine card. Your feminine self is little distorted. Okay, which means that you're a little confused about your personal life. Okay, the feminine side and the masculine side. Okay, the masculine side is also within us, the feminine side is also within us, and we have to balance both the sides in every person. This is there. Okay, so your feminine side needs to be more balanced. Okay, that's what it is saying. And let's see the career card coming for you. You're very happy with your career, you're making your money. Okay, if you are in a profession where you are like you are doing some artistic work where you have to use, maybe you're a jeweler or something like that, so you are doing it very well, you're making your money, you're very it can be for many of you, I guess. You're very dedicated towards your work. You can see this person, male or female, um, he or she is doing his or her work very well, full of concentration. So you'll be like that in the month of December. You will take you will still be very you will maybe not take leaves and all, and you will do your work. Okay, that's what it is, it's saying. Okay, this month is very good for you also. Let me know what's coming in for you, what has resonated with you. Okay, so let's see what's coming for Cancer. Okay, so how was your month this month? Let me know. Let's see what's coming in for you. Okay, we have the card which is your energy card for the month of December. Okay, okay, very nice card. Okay, second chakra. So your second chakra will be you'll be wanting to be maybe in a relationship, or you would want to find a partner. Okay, so it could be a card of love. Okay, second chakra. Okay, and let's see what's coming for your career in the month of December 2025. Some of you might also take time out. Okay, maybe you might think about a situation. Maybe this could be something to do with your personal life. You might go to a place in a solitude place and think about it. Maybe that could be, and come back. It could be some kind of a place where you would do your thinking about it. Okay, whatever is in your mind, maybe in your love life or in your career, in your personal life. This is a career card also. So this is also coming as a career card. So this could be something that you are emotional about in your career, which you need a thinking about. Okay, it could be a holiday where you're going. Okay, where you would just think about your career, and also think about how it would balance your personal life, because you have the 8 of Cups. So this is your career card. So this is something where you would think about your career and you would be very emotional about your career, and you might think how it would help you in your personal life also, in the life that you want to build. So you might go to a place where you might think about these things. Okay, so this could come in the month of December for you. In your love life, let's see what's coming. In your love life, you're advised to be a little bit more mature. Okay, write down what love means to you, and what it is showing you, what it is telling you. There could be a guide that comes to you. Okay, maybe your consciousness will tell you about this, or the spirituality which you follow will tell you what is a mature way to do these things. Okay, so in your love life, you will be getting that guidance in the month of December. This could be for some of you or all of you, depending on the situation. Let's see what is the card coming. Your advice card. Now, physical health is what it is said. Okay, so your habits that you keep, you must keep on doing it, and it will keep you to your highest good. Okay, so the habits, like if you are into some exercise or some meditation, or into some good diet or something like it, the good habits that you keep overall is going to help you in the month of December. So let me know what resonates with you. It seems to be a very good month for you in terms of your career as well as your personal life. Let's see what's coming for Leo for the month of December. Now the overall energy for the month of December. Okay, you seem to be in a very there could be some active passive energy. There could be some energies where you might feel little bit um, confused in the month of December. For some of you, in some of the days you might feel very active, in some of the ways you would feel very passive, or it could be that the masculine or feminine side still they it's not, maybe you might feel that you are doing the things not consistently, and that could be coming for some of you. Let's see what are the other cards for some of you. Okay, so you have the guidance card. I'm not going to go as per the cards. The environment card. Okay, so every room in my home makes me smile. So we'll read your cards more. Let's see what more we get in your reading. Your love life needs luminosity. There's something deep within us which is lighted. It has to come out. Maybe you will feel luminous, or you'll find a way. You'll feel very peaceful, calmful. You can see the person is very happy, luminous. This could come in your love life, personal life. Let's see what's in your career zone. You are very happy in your career zone. Okay, so this is a card for you. Okay, overall, let's see, Leos, what is coming for you. Let me read your cards again. 1 minute. So overall, your cards are very good. Okay, in terms of your career, you seem to be completely happy with your career. Okay, you are as energetic as as a child, maybe. Okay, the career situation. And in your love life, you will find the luminosity in yourself, like the peacefulness. Maybe you are very satisfied in your love life, in your personal life also. I also see that maybe your home life is very happy, but you might also feel some days that things are very they're not very your energies are not very active, or sometimes they are passive. So this could be for some of you. So this is just a reading which is telling me that it's quite happy in the month of December. Okay, so let me know if it resonates with you in the month of December. Let's see what's coming for Virgo. Okay, so Virgo, in the month of December, I seem to see that everybody is getting good readings in the month of December. Okay, so let's see what is coming for the month of December for Virgos. The community coming, you'll be with your community, or you will be with your family. Okay, the people that you maybe want to spend time in the month of December. This could be maybe some function coming in your home. Okay, with the people that you want to be. The career situation, you will be very you'll find a way to keep your money as well as your other things intact. You'll be happy with your money, but you'll also protect your money as well as your work, and keeping in mind the other situations of your life. So you'll be very much balanced in the month of December. In your love life, you will be a protective person as well as a loving person. You'll know how to protect things, and you'll be very spiritual about them also. So overall, a sacred woman coming in the month of December. Then I see the card that is coming for you. Okay, let the physical health. Okay, this is coming for you. Will honor your sensuality also. So these are the cards for you in the month of December. Let me know whether it resonates with you. Overall, a good month. Okay, for everybody I see. Okay, so this is something which is coming. Let's see Libra. Okay, let's see what is coming for the month of December for you. I'll just pull the cards and then we will just go ahead and understand what is coming. Okay, these are the cards coming for you. Okay, so Libra, what is coming for you? Let's see. So you will be the person who knows how to take care of his or her money. Now this is not gender specific. Okay, so maybe somebody you know, or you'll be the person who takes care of the finances. You'll take care of the finances well. Your career will be flowing. Okay, you'll be very passionate, like a child, about your career. You'll be very kind. If you're in an artistic place, you will be very happy doing the artistic, maybe some kind of artwork, artistic work. Okay, you'll be very passionate and generous in your career situation, or things will be very happy for you, compassionate in your career. Okay, this could be, or you will take up some art some artistic writing or something like that. It could be you'll start with some venture, I guess. Then you have in your love life, you have a distorted masculine. Your masculine energy would want to be balanced maybe in the month of December. If you're overworking, okay, you need to balance your masculine energy. If you're a woman, you have to balance your masculine energy. If you're a man, you have to balance your masculine energy. Maybe you're working too much, okay, or you need to balance it out, okay. Then the spiritual health, you will trust in your divine timing, okay. Whatever is coming to you, it's coming as a divine timing. You'll trust that and you'll go according to that, okay. This is a month for Librans. Let's see what's if it resonates with you, let me know, okay. A good month for you also. Let's see what is coming for Scorpios in the month of December 2025, okay. Okay, some of you might release your broken heartedness, okay. If you're feeling broken hearted, your emotions will come out, okay. Then advice card, emotional health again coming. I honor my time and energy by making smart choices. So this is coming for you. Again, this is not for, it could resonate for many people or for few people, whatever it is, let me know. Let's see your love life, okay. In a love life, you will still be very happy. You have the rainbow reviver. You will find a way to be happy. You will make yourself a rainbow reviver, okay. Somebody who is happy in all situations. And finally, what is coming for your career? Let's see. Okay, so it's not a very good card if you're feeling like this, okay. The bad days, if you see yourself in this situation, okay, so it is a person who's not feeling happy, okay, is very cold, and the money factor and the work factor is bad. But if you're feeling like that, just get out of this mind, okay, mindset. Think that you are doing well and you can do well, and you'll get out of this mindset. So if you're facing some financial crisis in the month of December, try to think positive and do your best, and you will come out of this situation. So maybe this is making you broken hearted, but in your personal life you seem to be fine, okay. So just trust in the process and do well in the month of December. This is again a general reading. Now I'm going to the Sagittarius. Let's see what's coming for you in the month of December. In the month of December, you would like to take time for yourself. You might like to rest. You might like to rejuvenate. Maybe go for a spa treatment or do meditation or something that will rejuvenate you in the month of December, to make yourself again, you know, rejuvenate yourself, and for the next year maybe, or for this year. Let's see what's coming for your career situation in the month of December. You seem to be happy, okay. The happy life, the 10 of cups coming for you. You seem to be happy in your career as well as your personal life. You have all the, maybe your career is like, people are like a family to you, and you find joy. Maybe you are in a profession where there are people and children. Maybe you're in a teaching profession, or in a profession where you meet a lot of people, especially the children. So it could be very happy time. Maybe you will have some good celebration with like maybe some party or something. It will be a very nice time for you in the month of December, okay. A happy occasion coming for in your career also. I know even it could mean that your home life is also happy with the career that you are in, okay. In your love life, you will have the self-respecting card coming, which means that you will know what is to be done. Maybe you know where you stand in your personal life, okay. What are the things that matter to you and what are things that don't matter to you, where you know, where you balance your personal life with a lot of self-respect, okay. Let's see what's coming in for your guidance card. You have the emotional health, okay. The more I trust my intuition and act on its wisdom, the more extraordinary my life becomes. So intuition will be very strong in the month of December. So I see a very nice reading for everybody. Let me know if it resonates with you. You can also like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, you can ask a question. Okay, I'll be glad to answer it. You can write in my email or you can write in my chat box. So till then, thank you so much. Have a great month, December 2025. Let me know your comments about this reading. Next year we'll come back. We'll give the readings for the next year also. Till then, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.